Good morning, viewers. Good morning, CA aspirants. So, we are going to discuss the fourth important phase of business cycles: shrug, or depression, or slump. Shrug, or depression, or slump. In this phrase, overall economic activity, production, and employment is at a lowest level. Is at a lowest level, and it is a bottom of the cycle. Extremely worst phrase of the business cycles. So peak and prosperity, top and highest form of business cycles, and shrug or depression is the lowest form of business cycles. So depression means what? A severe form of recession. Severe form of recession is called as depression. In the depression, sluggish, that's called slow. Sluggish means what? Slow economic activities. And USA and UK in the 1929-33 had seen this kind of phrase. Almost all European countries, the economic depression was spread in those days. So I will give one example. If the person not well, admitted in hospital, that is called as recession. If the person is not well, admitted in ICU, that is called as depression. Know that. So in the depression, what changes takes place in the economy? One is growth rate becomes negative because severe recession takes place. Recession is also worst phrase. There is a two worst phrases depression. World had also experienced this kind of economic depression. So definitely COVID-19 is also one kind of recession. If the lockdown is going to continue one more month, definitely entire world enter into depression. This is the best example now. Is the best example. If the lockdown continued 1 or 2 months, so definitely entire economy enter into depression. So almost all economic activities was totally stopped because so that is the reason the growth rate becomes negative. Know that. And second is rapid decline in the national income. So national income is totally declined. Decline in the demand for goods and services. Prices are lowest and declined rapidly. That's called most of the factories, most of the industries is forced to shut down. High level of unemployment. So there is a retrenchment of the employees. Most of the private employees were removed from the organizations, IT, some of the important industries. High level of unemployment is there. Know that. So people are having a very little disposable income. Very little disposable income. So decline the interest rates. People demanding holding cash, holding cash, liquid money increases even at lower interest rates. So there is no demand to the credit. There is no demand to the credit. So demand for the credit declines. Demand for the credit declines. Demand for the credit totally declines. So it is called as a investor's confidence has fallen. So definitely it leads to the financial crisis. Now that excess capacity is there. Excess capacity means what? Industries of consumer and capital goods industries suffer from excess capacity. So large number of bankrupts and liquidation. Bankrupts means what? దివాళా తీయడం. లిక్విడియేషన్ మీన్స్ వాట్? అమ్మేయడం. అంటే చేత కాకుండా ఇంకా ప్రొడక్షన్ చేయడం అనేటువంటి చేత కాకుండా అమ్మేయడం సిగ్నిఫికెంట్లీ రిడ్యూస్ ద magnitude of the trade and commerce. Know that? So that is the reason what is finally takes place. The growth rate is come down, and prices will come down. Unemployment will be rises. People prefer to hold the liquid cash. Country will experience highest level of unemployment. So bank rates will come down, and companies may go liquidation and worst and file for bankruptcy and a saturation point and shut down. Most of the companies is going to shut down, and companies may not recover their costs because money is not investing, money is not rotating. Demand for the bank loans is totally declines. So finally the stock market prices will come down, and the stock market is totally collapsed. So this is the reason. So most of the bad consequences created on the economy. So low purchasing power is there, low purchasing power. So the people a lot of sufferings and miseries in the economy. So these are the major changes what happened in the struggle or depression or slump.